My dear friend, welcome. Today I wish to share with you a truth I have discovered along my journey: the profound relationship between sacrifice and success. At first, these two words may seem far apart. Sacrifice sounds like loss, while success feels like gain. Yet, in the quiet corners of life, I have seen that one cannot exist without the other. When I left behind the comforts of the world to walk the path of a monk, it was not easy. I had to give up attachments, possessions, and even the idea of who I thought I was. In those early days, the sacrifice felt heavy, as though I had lost everything familiar. But slowly, I realized that by letting go, I was not losing. I was making space. Space for clarity, space for peace, space for a deeper understanding of myself. Sacrifice is not only about giving up material things. Sometimes it is the sacrifice of our time, our habits, our endless distractions. Think of a seed. It must surrender its form to the soil, unseen and unnoticed, before it can become a tree. Without that quiet sacrifice, there can be no shade, no fruit, no life. Many people today wish for success but hesitate when it demands something in return. The student who dreams of becoming a scholar must sacrifice long nights of entertainment for the discipline of study. The parent who desires a better future for their child often sacrifices personal comforts to provide opportunities. Even in relationships, love grows not through constant gain, but through sacrifice, giving patience, giving understanding, giving time. True success is not measured by what you hold in your hands, but by what you are willing to let go of along the way. I remember meeting a young man who came to the monastery, restless with ambition. He wanted wealth, recognition, and influence. I asked him, "What are you willing to give up for these things?" He was silent. Months later, he returned, tired and broken, saying he had tried everything but failed. I told him gently, "Success will never bow to you until you bow to sacrifice." Only when he learned to discipline his time, detach from unhelpful company, and give up fleeting pleasures did he begin to move forward, not just in career, but in peace of mind. But my friend, let me share something deeper. The greatest success is not only in achievements the world can see. It is in the silent victories no one applauds. The success of controlling your anger, the success of staying true to your values when compromise seems easier, the success of choosing kindness in a world that often chooses selfishness. And every one of these successes is born out of sacrifice. So I ask you now, gently, what are you holding on to that is holding you back? What small sacrifice can you make today for the sake of a greater tomorrow? Remember, every sacrifice you make consciously and mindfully is not a loss. It is an offering, a seed planted in the soil of your life. With patience and care, that seed will grow into a success far greater than you imagined. Walk slowly, reflect deeply, and do not fear letting go. For in letting go, you are already moving closer to who you are meant to become. May you find peace in your sacrifices, and may they guide you toward true success.